Hi, I'm Bob Stockton. I'm principal in Rick Engineering's Riverside office, which I helped locate nearly 30 years ago. I'm really excited because today we're going to show you how the Rick team can put together a specific plan for the Northside community that focuses on the assets, is a collaborative process, and will ultimately be a document which will really improve the quality of life for not only that neighborhood and community, but for the rest of the city. So with that, let's go out and let's meet the team out in the Northside neighborhood.
Hi, my name's Brian Mooney and I run the overall planning program at Rick, and I'll be in charge of the preparation of the specific plan and the environmental impact report, and work closely with other team members, the design team and the engineering team, to put this program together. I want to just very briefly mention really my orientation because it fits so perfectly with the Northside neighborhood. You know, I focus on integrating environmental and cultural values, looking at history of an area and how that all works to create great communities. And I see so many assets here. We've had a chance to really look at a lot of the material that the Northside neighborhood groups have been putting together with the Trujillo Adobe and other elements, looking at the parks and the schools, and it really fits all into really a great program. Ultimately though, it takes a team, and our team includes Design Workshop, a nationally international design firm of landscape architects. We also have Dudek, a team I've worked with in the past extensively. Stephanie Tang is here with me from Dudek in relationship. She runs the downtown office. We also have Kearns and West with Eva Yakutis to do our neighborhood outreach programs, and Eva's has a long history here in Riverside. And then finally, Kaiser Marston in our economics. But what I want to do is, the CEQA process is so important, I want to turn it to Stephanie to talk a little bit about Dudek's role.
Dudek has worked with the City of Riverside for many years and with the RIC team on various projects. As part of the environmental process, Dudek will provide technical services including air quality, greenhouse gas emissions, biological resources, cultural resources, and historical evaluation.
You know, and that's so critical. As I said, you really have a great asset. We've seen it happen around California in relationship to looking at something as important as that Mexican period, Trujillo Adobe, and find a way to factor that into creating something. I've heard discussion, I've seen research about your quote-unquote Spanish town as one of the elements. But we're very excited about all of the opportunities here and want to work with you, the community, and then also with the City of Riverside. Now, Bob?
Thanks, Brian and Stephanie. As a longtime resident of the City of Riverside, I'm really excited because I think you can see how enthusiastic we are and what an exceptional team we've put together, and we're going to create an amazing specific plan for the Northside community.